So we just finished our stay here in Playa Samara. We're headed out now for Santa Teresa. Looks like it's about a 3 to 4 hour drive. I don't know if we'll do anything along the way, but we're rolling out. We're jamming to some Latin music here. Hannah's airing her toes out. Emily's in her booster, and Natalie's back there in her cage. And Skylar's taking a nap. So we're here at the beach in Santa Teresa. This is just a little bit out in front of where we're staying. The tide is at low tide right now, and so there's you don't realize when you hear at high tide just how many like rocks there are. And I guess that's part of what makes the surfing really good here. But Hannah and I tried to do a little snorkeling out there today, but it just kind of sucked. It was too shallow. We saw a few fish, but mostly we were looking at rocks, so we'll have to find another spot to do some snorkeling. Girls, got all your sun lotion on? You're smothered in it. One of the things that's recommended to do around here is to hike the Montezuma Waterfall. It looks like it's about 7.5 miles away, which in Costa Rica driving is about 40 minutes. So hopefully it won't take us too long to get there. I think it's about a 20 to 30 minute hike. And it's supposed to have a really good swimming hole.
Yeah, you could jump off the side and into the water.
So let's roll.
Montezuma Waterfalls today, and well, it was fun hiking up it, and we got to swim, but the waterfall was brown and yucky. Brown water.
Do you know why?
Because it rained.
Yeah, it rained last night and yesterday, and so it made the water kind of brown. What you don't tell mommy that you're doing, right, girls? Just hiked up this pretty crazy rock face. We didn't tell mommy about this one, okay, girls?
So today we were being a little bit too crazy, and we decided to climb up this like huge rock. It's like I don't know how high it is, but it's really high. And we climbed up with Emily, and it was pretty steep. It was kind of scary though.
Didn't we say we weren't going to talk about this? We didn't want mommy to know, remember? I was like, shh, don't tell mommy.
But we did tell mommy. Oh, it's a kitty hat.
So Natalie, what do you think are your most favorite foods or fruits that you've had here in Costa Rica?
I would say I really like papayas, mangoes.
I think there's another fruit that you really like.
Lychee.
And we've eaten a ton of those, huh?
Like 4 kilos.
At a time?
At a time, almost. One time we got 6 kilos.
And you just buy it on the side of the road?
There's like road stands, that like they just have piles of it. And the fruit lychee is it's like sort of like a ball shape, but it has like it's kind of like spiky, but it doesn't poke. And when you open it, it's like almost like a grape without skin.
It tastes pretty good, huh?
Oh, but we don't have any more right now.
You have fun, Natalie?
I like Santa Teresa. I like the vibes, and there's a lot of young people, and it's not so run down compared to most of the places here. And the beaches are pretty, and there's lots of rocks, but you can't really swim in them very much except for a few of them. And yeah.
So depending on where you look, they say as a family, Santa Teresa might not be somewhere that you really want to go. They recommend more things like Playa Samara. But I have to say that we've been really enjoying Santa Teresa. The beaches are beautiful here. The little town is kind of fun. It has a lot of just the young people from all over the world, a lot of Europeans, Americans. A lot of them are here surfing and just doing yoga and all these other things, and it's just kind of a fun crowd. It has a nice hip feel, nice beach vibe to this area. I definitely think we would come here again.